Mining Tomorrow on Red FM, and each week we put another company under the microscope. This week, Force Commodities, with the ASX code 4CE. Jason Brewer is the Managing Director there. He's on the line for us now to give us a bit of an insight into Force Commodities. G'day, Jason.
Good morning, Ian. How are you doing?
Going well. Now, Malawi, it sounds like a great surfing spot in Hawaii, but I bet it's not. Whereabouts is Malawi?
Oh, look, it's actually a landlocked country in East Africa.
Right.
Bordering Mozambique, Zambia and Tanzania.
Righto.
And a very well-established former English colony that has tremendous mineral resources.
Righto. And what drove Force Commodities towards Malawi?
Look, we were looking for a mining project for Force that could generate very quick cash flows and returns for our shareholders. Mm-hmm. And the project opportunity that was presented to us there was clearly one which we felt we could push forward very quickly.
All right. Now, am I correct in saying you've just been there recently?
I have. I've been there quite a fair bit over the past few months, that's for sure. But
all right.
Got back just the other day.
All right. So you've got the latest on the project highlights for us. What can you tell us?
It's a very high-grade lead and silver project,
mm-hmm.
located with great infrastructure, about an hour's drive north of the capital city of Lilongwe. Mm-hmm. We've actually, the previous owners that we've acquired the project from, did some trial mining, which reported lead grades of 60% and silver grades of over 700 grams a tonne. So
mm-hmm.
quite spectacular grades in material that was then trucked and assayed down in Johannesburg and was subsequently sold to some trading groups there. So they've demonstrated that the many risks which are associated with a project in Africa mm-hmm. Can be addressed, logistics
mm-hmm.
and the ability to mine it. So it's a very easy start for us with a lot of those major factors which cause delays or inhibit development already addressed. So we're very pleased to be there.
All right. We're talking with Jason Brewer, Managing Director of Force Commodities. So from the company's point of view, Jason, what's the strategy to take the project forward further?
Look, we've recently announced that we've completed all the legal and technical due diligence, so we're quite satisfied with the project fundamentals. We've further announced the next stage of exploration activities, which include trenching, pitting, and then further down the track, some drilling of the lead mineralisation which has been identified. We're clearly looking for the source of this very high-grade material, and that's a longer-term strategy, I guess. But the immediate focus is how we can start development of a small but sustainable mining operation, producing, a relatively small volumes, but a very high-value product which the market already has accepted.
All right, that's fantastic. Now, from an investor perspective, Jason, for current and potential investors, what would they be looking from Force Commodities, do you think?
Look, I guess they'd be looking for us to commence those exploration activities in country in the very short term. Mm-hmm. Part of that will include as well further shipments of bulk samples of, between 300 and 1,000 tonnes of material for further assays and sale. Mm-hmm. They'll be looking for us to recruit some very senior in-country and local staff to allow us to accelerate these projects forward. And look, they'll be expecting us to start deliver on our ambitions to get this into production.
All right.
All in a very short time frame.
Well, good luck to you, Jason. Jason Brewer, Managing Director of Force Commodities. We really appreciate your time. The ASX code is 4CE. Good on you, Jason. Really great to catch up with you.
Thank you, Ian.